How is a statute different from a regulation? When navigating the complex world of law, it is essential to understand the distinctions between various legal instruments. Statutes and regulations play crucial roles in shaping the legal landscape, but they serve different purposes and originate from different sources. A statute is a formal written law enacted by a legislative body, such as a parliament or Congress. Statutes are created through a specific legislative process that involves proposal, debate, and voting. Once passed, a statute becomes part of the legal code and is enforceable by law. Statutes often address broad issues and set out general principles or rules that govern behavior. For example, a statute may establish criminal laws, tax obligations, or civil rights protections. The language of a statute is typically more general, allowing for interpretation and application in various contexts. On the other hand, a regulation is a rule or directive made by an executive authority or regulatory agency, which is empowered by a statute. Regulations are designed to provide detailed guidance on how to implement and enforce the provisions of a statute. They fill in the gaps left by statutes, offering specific procedures, standards, and requirements that must be followed. For instance, a statute may mandate the protection of the environment, while the corresponding regulations will outline the specific actions businesses must take to comply with environmental standards. The process for creating regulations is different from that of statutes. While statutes are debated and voted on by elected representatives, regulations are typically developed by experts within regulatory agencies. These agencies may conduct public consultations, gather input from stakeholders, and assess the potential impact of proposed regulations before finalizing them. In summary, the key difference lies in their origin and purpose. Statutes are laws created by legislative bodies that establish broad legal principles, while regulations are detailed rules developed by regulatory agencies to implement and enforce those laws. Understanding this distinction is vital for anyone navigating legal matters, as it helps clarify the framework within which laws operate and the specific requirements that individuals and organizations must adhere to.